features of this budget. Number one is the total budget size. Now that total budget size is 19,548 crores. Now there has been an increase of 14% compared to the earlier year. That is the current year. The second important feature is it's a revenue surplus budget. Consecutively for the third time, the revenue surplus amount is 455 crores. The fiscal deficit is 1.67%, which is well within the limits. That's the 3% is the limit. The fourth important thing is this is the first time the budget is digital. In the sense, it's a paperless budget. We are seeking vote on account, which will be sought tomorrow. That is for 5 months. The capital expenditure even for the current year is 4,886 crores.
But how much is the interest component?
Interest component probably about 1,200 crores.
So that is reflecting in your deficit.
Yes.
Deficit is how much, sir? 1.7?
1.67 crores. And our debt GDP ratio has slightly gone down. That is now 15.5%.
This is showing a good.
This is showing a good. The main reason is our GSDP slightly the growth is good.
As per your economic survey, it shows around 6%
Increase.
Any major tax reforms?
No, this budget doesn't include any tax proposals or new schemes, which will come in a due course of time in the year.
No news.
No, here under this.
Mr. Havaldar, what is the vote on account figure?
8,145. All budget figures are tentative. This is an expected expenditure, expected receipts. These are estimates. Always these are estimates. Actuals always change.
So do you have an estimate for receipts from the mining industry for the few?
Mining, I don't have the figure. Because mining has, of course, that has gone down. So
there is no projected estimate?
no, but the overall revenue receipts for the states total are 1,600 crores. And there has been a growth in the revenue receipts of by 17%. And therefore we are revenue surplus because the growth in expenditure is 14%.
The 17% is for the 18-19 year, right?
1920.
Estimate.
Yeah.
But in the speech, the Chief Minister mentioned about 18-19.
While reading it maybe.
No. What they mention is that estimated growth of revenue and expenditure.
Okay.
Yeah, and now when you compare,
If whatever given to you, that's
that figure will come.
same figure.
What do you feel this budget is the trust area of this budget? According to
See, basically we are seeking on vote on account. In a vote on account, normally this kind of things doesn't come.
it's not
This is not in a full-fledged budget where there are policies and the tax things. Where it comes.